Hello everyone and welcome to a new lesson with Miss Rafa. Today we're gonna complete with Unit 20, the Solar System. So get your activity book and let's study together. The Solar System. In this picture we have the Solar System. All of the planets orbit the Sun. It's in the center of the solar system. The Sun is not a planet, it's a star. A star. The Earth takes 365 days to go around the Sun. This is how we have the 4 seasons. The Earth rotates around itself. Rotate. It takes 24 hours to have a full round. This is why we have day and night. Now let's see the reading. Read the text and do the tasks below. The solar system consists of the Sun and the 9 planets. The Sun is not a planet, it's a star. It's in the center of the solar system. All planets orbit the Sun. The Earth takes 365 days to go around the Sun. This is how we have the 4 seasons. Some planets take less or more days than the others. Mercury takes less days than the Earth because it is the closest to the Sun. The Earth also rotates around itself. It takes 24 hours to have a full round. This is why we have day and night. When it's day at one part of the Earth, it is night at the other part. Stop the video and read the text. Make sure that you know all of the new words. Then complete with me. Exercise A. Write true or false. The Sun is a planet. False. It's a star. All planets go round the Sun. True. The Earth takes 365 days to go round Mars. False. To go round the Sun. There are 4 seasons on Venus. False. On Earth. Exercise B. Choose A, B, or C. The Sun and the 9 planets are called the lunar, geographic, solar system. Solar system. The Sun is in the east, west, middle of the solar system. Middle. Mercury, Mars, Venus takes the least days to orbit the Sun. مين أقرب كوكب للشمس؟ Mercury. The Earth takes 24 days, months, hours to make a full round. Hours. When it's night at one part of the Earth, it's day, spring, dark at the other part. Day. Now exercise number 2. Read and match. It's the farthest. Neptune. We live on this planet. The Earth. We travel to space on it. A spaceship. It's a star. The Sun. It goes around the Earth. the moon. هون الحل حسب الترجمة. Exercise number 3. Reorder the planets from the farthest to the nearest to the sun. هون حنرتب الكواكب من الأبعد إلى الأقرب. We have Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Earth, Venus, Mercury, the Sun. Exercise number 5. Listen and classify the words. هون بدنا نميز بين صوت الج اللي بنستخدمها بجن لما بيجي عنا SION وصوت الش لما بنستخدمه بشن لما بيجي عنا TION. Let's listen.
Television. Subtraction. Revision. Addition. Division. Direction.
Now let's do the exercise.
Television. Subtraction. Revision. Addition. Division. Direction.
Exercise number 5. Ask and answer. هون في عنا أسئلة وأجوبة. رح نشوف أنو واحد فيهم ناقص ونكمله. What's the third planet? The third planet is the Earth. What's the fourth planet? The fourth planet is Mars. Which is the hottest planet? The hottest planet is Venus. Which is the farthest planet? The farthest planet is Pluto. Which is the biggest planet? The biggest planet is Jupiter. Exercise number 6. Listen and underline the correct word. Let's listen.
1. Saturn is a giant gas planet. It is mostly made up of hydrogen and helium. 2. Saturn's volume is about 760 greater than Earth. 3. It is the second most massive planet in the solar system. 4. You can see the most beautiful rings of Saturn if you fly on a spaceship.
Now let's do the exercise.
1. Saturn is a giant gas planet. It is mostly made up of hydrogen and helium. 2. Saturn's volume is about 760 greater than Earth. 3. It is the second most massive planet in the solar system. 4. You can see the most beautiful rings of Saturn if you fly on a spaceship.
Number 7. Fill in the spaces with the correct form of the adjectives. هون حنستخدم إما صيغة مقارنة أو صيغة تفضيل حسب الجملة. The moon is than the earth. طالما عنا كلمة than معناها عنا صفة مقارنة منضيف ER للصفة القصيرة. The moon is smaller than the earth. The earth is عنا كلمة than معناها بستخدم مقارنة بضيف ER لصفة المقارنة. إذا كانت بتنتهى ب E فبضيف فقط R. The earth is larger than Mercury. Saturn is the في عنا the قبل الفراغ، معناها هون عندي صيغة تفضيل. منضيف est للصفة إذا كانت قصيرة، وما مننسى إذا كانت الكلمة بتنتهى بواي وقبل الواي حرف ساكن تقلب الواي إلى I ثم أضيف est. Saturn is the prettiest one. طبعا هون استخدمنا كلمة one مشان ما كرر كلمة كوكب. Life on earth is عندي الدلالة than، معناها رح استخدم صيغة مقارنة. منطلع على الصفة طويلة بتتألف من 3 مقاطع لفظية، إذا بضيف قبلها كلمة more. Life on earth is more wonderful than life on Venus. Exercise number 8. Correct the mistakes. عنا أخطاء بالجملة رح نصلحها. Jupiter is the larger planet. طبعا the لازم يجي بعدها صيغة تفضيل، فالصفة لازم تنتهى ب est. Jupiter is the largest planet. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. كمان عندي the لازم يجي بعدها صيغة تفضيل تنتهى ب est. طالما الكلمة أصلا بتنتهى ب e فبضيف فقط st. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Pluto is farthest than Neptune. من كلمة than بنعرف إنه عنا مقارنة، فلازم تنتهى الصفة ب er. Pluto is farther than Neptune. Venus is the hottest planet. الخطأ هون بكتابة كلمة hottest. طالما الكلمة CVC ساكن صوتي ساكن والصوتي موجود بالوسط، إذن أضاعف الحرف الأخير ثم أضيف EST من ضاعف الT. Now let's move on to the last exercise. Write 5 sentences comparing between 3 planets. هون رح نكتب جمل نقارن فيها بين 3 كواكب. طبعا إذا قارنا بين 2 بنستخدم صيغة مقارنة، إذا اخترنا واحد ضمن 3 أو ضمن مجموعة فبنستخدم صيغة تفضيل. فينا نقول Mercury is nearer to the Sun than Venus and Earth. Jupiter is larger than Earth and Mars. Neptune is the farthest planet. Venus is the hottest planet. Saturn has more rings than Jupiter and Uranus. وانتو شو كتبتوا؟ That's everything for today. Thanks for your time. See you next lesson إن شاء الله.